Imagine. Now I'm so big as I say. Tomorrow go for the bed with the mukakra. Maybe I fine.
I don't.
Okay. I don't pay that. And this is what you're saying.
Oh, it's cool.
You be fine.
Yeah.
Okay. You be doing combo. Lawyer Chumberima, a member of the NDC's communication team. Was that I see ya no kasa, but a better crano better na see. Na ubeho baby or beko akodru. Or a private legal practitioner. A sound member of the NDC. Lawyer, about how supposed to be a
Never.
Then.
Member party position.
Not even at the regional level and at national level. Maybe okay. But me here quick one on Asema Yedi Kadi Hong Kong. Na means you civil servants is some open neutrality allowance. Womani abaya tinase. There's been a committee or more jatum say you between neutrality allowance no edia mo. Almost mama nyosema more ye no. They don't have the opportunity to do some. And mamintio kakra on that na main kind messages to be na fe yemra your main topic next.
All right, call me Ndasi. And parent Chiankuma Omo and Omo across the country. The kind and I man for suffer be prince.
Okay.
A birthday until honest happy birthday in common. In short Russia baby. I pay happy birthday in common by prince. Secondly, yesterday now one of my top men that I respect so much, the chief of staff to President Mahama, Nan Ryan birthday.
Right, Debra.
Yes.
Okay.
And the belated one goes to him, even though we spoke yesterday. I was sharing the command here, but as about trying to Nadia, I was saying I wish a belated happy birthday. On the other hand, then Chiankoma, the top hierarchies of the party, and then the immediate past president, President John Dramani Mahama. And I was a civil servant, so the neutrality allowance. Now, are they neutral?
They said they are neutral.
Civil servants, no,
20% of their gross salary.
Okay.
In the form of allowance.
All right. When they decided 20%, no?
One they call you. Non come some 35%.
Oh, so that is their call.
Yes, one call. They were claiming for 35%.
It's 1 amount 20.
And a woman a binding committee, and a committee in the new leadership. The leadership of Closag coming to a 20%.
Oh, the Closag doesn't send the NS a civil and local government. Oh, okay. And then I know for other police second institutions in Murum. Say police. Say your mom cars or mope. And now the police namoji neutrality allowance. Bibi say no. Since make us say I don't say moji. Say badia. One almost police neutrality allowance. Close for this moji. Oh, I police in payslip neutrality allowance. I know where the police live there for 10 years. Maybe the police in payslip so and go neutrality allowance was. I see. But the henna moji. Police want the henna moji. Allowance be na moji. Say me obium to minimum the But there's nothing for 10 years. No allowance. Oh, I was in more than 10 years. But the point is that say no days. Me feel watch it. Say we are there some for be almost 100 minimum. But neutrality allowance there. You and I know that they are never neutral. So why will they waste the time of government by more neutrality? But I'm active partisan politics. On facing what we see. What's partisan politics? So which means they do inactive one, right? I cannot tell. Well, no. So we are just going by your own word. Active partisan politics, but it doesn't mean they don't do politics. It means they do it, but they can do it inactively. I don't support the call. They don't deserve it, and they don't need to be accorded any such allowance for any reason. If they are calling for any other allowance, be a sounding well in the minds of the ordinary Ghanaian. I mean, no, you're drinking. But the president say, "On 20 allowance." So, but I was once at the energy. Know how you will behave in various sectors in different ministries. You sit there to sabotage. Some of them sit there to sabotage government. You know them. You have been with people before. Some leave the office as early as 3 p.m. No what on bag no coffee. I mean, me when the ministry one lady be cashier or staircase, you know, whom in the under the pram. You must say, some Janako Finch and whom you must.
I see.
We check it another just 30 minutes past 3 p.m.
Upon. Meanwhile, man terms.
Oh. What I say? And then you don't tell me say some money to tell once. Are you neutral? One more one neutral. They are playing the politics with us. We know the MPPs among them, we know the NDCs among them. So what can make you that neutral? And now neutrality necessary because one team about and so politics out him. And you know that man who jai. Maybe jai is a bit much. So we are the So if you want to join the politics, leave and come and join. Bible says once more a wooden meal. A seven cannot serve 2 masters. So leave one and come and serve the other. Simple. So we can talk. But I heard you mentioning some of the, I mean, allowances. Some of them sounds like a nuisance to me anyway. But because and now parliament members back, a woman we kind of I heard one of them saying something. Now, or Kata say, or say, Omana Yakom Chankosera Sikano. The way they do their things, and they say the young company and so they see anymore. That's how unreasonable we are as a country. COVID by, you know.
Yeah.
The whole period of 2020. Do you know what are the American government here? I don't hear and say toll booths be na a personal contact. So what the ticket never one is canon.
Yeah.
All was converted into electronics.
Okay.
And to do a camera and a picture front and back of your plate and then you go. Go to one rather see all the personal or one-on-one toll ticketing centers and converted all into cameras. Say we do a camera and picture and a camera and picture. Now first, some places were for cameras, some were for persons.
Okay.
But now because I say we could have mawa Jacob nibi camera could never that is what they did. They never stopped collecting tolls. As you know, I see a someone and Brosson say you stop collecting tolls, yet we are interested in going to chase somebody for E-Levy. What is it? We are interested to go and chase the ordinary man on the street, to go and chase the Otimakola, the ticket and pay water and according to E-Levy. And the Abanium, by a bank, I said, Mimi Drav cook Massing Cran and Banum. First, like Massacran, not to in there 3. I English come more than back. Then Nabacon war, I think that yes was a heifer, said BB, and then no more idea. Yeah, and I say, if anything. I'm a summer area how the Anticasari. It's the mean concrete masters and make I for my phone. Electricities. Do you know how many cars ply that road? Foreign and non-foreign cars. Burkina Faso. So that's it. Now I buy for two, and he's happy to tell us what to do in trouble. But one Kaiser one the last same person this money again. And that I mean we come from now there's a Sandro. And why? And the Jan never museum. If you are so much from no dance assassin drody, and the Ujan and what Musuka. You need money to run affairs of the country. Obiano in Yashini. But same Kessben 92.9. Young Kunga for any. You collapse a source of revenue. A quay of us in yes at the bottom of my number. What collapsing? For political expediency. And then the same person is running helter skelter. Say, young man, can't go E-Levy. Are you serious? Countries now call Bobosiano. Have you heard them say they are closing their toes? But UK, some person don't bring your car to central London. And that is why the underground trains are running throughout the entire central London in Yara. Okay. And two people anymore. Simple and short, bus will be a transition of PF and Nabina Basso. Join the bus. Maybe of course. That is why you can even find MPs in the train with us, MPs in the bus with us. So that's it. Yeah. They have not one a queen of unforeseen revenue. We have a bus be in particular maybe a home floor. Yes, along the way, you'll find you pay. Their sources of revenue. Abandoning Castle for political expediency. But I heard your guy quoting about say Ghana has gone for a loan of about 20 million, is it euro or something? We cannot even raise 20 million euros in this country. Kwame, yet we raise 20 million in this country. Yet, you believe say we can always go out to borrow. That's your problem.
Kessben 92.9.
But this year, and to what other medium of making it in your country that we're just on. To say what Naka Baby Show, a branch and what if what is on a council was ready. Knowing very well, so what and the strength, the capacity of to be able to work and make money. Kwame, now was ready. Who will take you serious? In this year,
yeah.
Na se be ko bo se ba kanya fi o na so ni nyina mu no ka de ye one way so ma ye sika no ye ntwam
ye maintain
country be not to say for the cover by they have stopped taking taxes and as taking tolls such in kata yen aba from Ghana bo man bia what is say ya o mo bra bia say ya eno mo bra ni bi no bo mu bi naturally we mundi what no ne toes are what was wajaje which of them mo bra no be say na ya mo bra no one a group 1 and I Bible bra no say group 2 which of these two groups aside Ghana and I would say we mo twa to levism
isn't there concern nuisance traffic especially Kaswa to Winneba Road a lot of time wasted.
Go and check MPP
time is a resource.
Go and check their budget for 2019 entering 2020 so we can say dualize it. I think 2019 budget full budget they said they were going to dualize Accra Road
highway
dualize why do you think Cynthia now physical because you knew that you need to expand the road to ease traffic, right? I didn't think one quiet side anymore because that should have rather been a very good medium to mitigate that problem of traffic. In any case, you close to tolls in business now. Have you been using the toll roads?
Yeah.
Traffic no one is everywhere.
Oh.
In Tinyasa Benemu. I mean, we need to ask because if the rationale behind it was if you were not what is traffic? Is the traffic there or not? So what the idea so go and take it back. We will finish until cancer. Go back and take it because it doesn't make sense. You the same government will come and tell us who he is to run the country. It's true. You who he is to run the country. We understand. But you the same person who is you walk around so no acquire for years can be a man was ending in Pebble. And a very easy way, Kwame. A very easy medium. Once you apply that road, you pay something small for government. No, to be organized before maintaining a quiet photos in a bason. Go to a state like the Connecticut in the US. So when now share portal our US Connecticut state more. When you bought portal, no sooner car boom apartment, and one say you to free number be no fresh number. That portal now can boom must be fixed within 24 hours. Listen to my word. 24 hours. I'll say I fix it portals. See, I'm fixing that you have the right to sue the state. Connecticut. Manholes in the bed so manholes now lining up across the length and breadth of our streets and our roads, including highways. Highways, even now many might have been a motorway. Not to mention in Buja and say, do you remember when this road was done? I said, no, when yet I'm so well, this road was done by a common crummer. Some crummer. I said, no. It was good. One metal, Miss One metal, even though me means no. Me ma cry doubt say on to crab between cruma. Okay? Kwame Nkrumah time no the concrete na ye lord kwan no. To my motorway. Yes, wo mo de na badwin bre. Wo mo say wo mo bre badwin bre. Na wo mu nyansa. En na nyansa na ba. Adwempa na aba. Yeah, you replace bottle to bus near Blaze, only Blaze. Asphalt. Unyale. So Papa back on the fences of be yes, Kofi Odro, thank you. Was it Yayare? Sometimes was the Anna is very funny. Was make all the fans some but it's true. It's very true. Obi the concrete na ya kwan no. Me ba ye mu di so besim Brandon na emo ho de ka me bodi tremo. Na ebi asa enso we esa ana se bia netimi eyi na wo de fufuro bi so na the vortic na tua so. Knowing very well the bottle is not a vortic bottle. Lord kon e concrete. Sikan bua ya de sikan na bobi pon mu ye mfa dua na bobi pon so. Sikan se subu na wo to aso ya sikan na da de na bi na tua so ye mu dua na kwan ni concrete road na support your boss na se fix pothole na near the asphalt coat and the tua pothole. Are we okay? Meanwhile, vice president say boss on the tower ya concrete road nkwa efficiency got every consume ni 0.5 kilometers onye bi. Not even 1, menka 1 kilometer. 0.5 would mean half. 92.9. Half kilometer. I mean, say a bedroom, baby, microphone stand the way, everything baby, a microphone, and which will cramp Gubi. Oh, Ghana, under the atema.
Okay. That was the problem. I mean, kind of messages in it. Okay.
What my kind of message? Because we know, you see, the extra, and there's allowances someday. And I was kind of before we came in that also kind like everywhere. Was materials can you what's it back with the
yes
lenses allowance
replacement of lenses.
Now and
the crowd we didn't know.
Can you imagine? So I don't know what you guys you see it from the word go say is
allowance for a replacement for eye lenses.
It's just a man penny na mo ya na sunglasses and you for the allowance. I mean, can you imagine? Look at all this is that the amount of overfree. How can you say you are paying such an allowance to an employee?
I would hear. I don't know. Here we are 1,000 cities every year. 1,000.
There's 1,000 every year. Be now only saying at the moment. Multiply the 1,000 by the number. That tells you how much you are spending. And then
yeah.
And how much any person is going to be. If there are 1,000,
they are not so excellence in this way.
Send because money you read from the word go. Excuse my language, but I mean that's the word to use. You are paying the allowance to who? I mean, who calls that? Eye problems are individual personal problems. So, and hypertension allowance is more hypertension. No diabetes because the problem servants be diabetic. Muntia small. Obinya stroke is a stroke allowance is rubber. Send the idea be an allowance aba.
That's a message is living. Right, I said you okay, you know. You do have the emotions. I could your emphasis on Becca. I'm making Kawi. Stephen Boache said, good morning, Mr. Speaker. Stephen inside Wasekropon. The Honorable Dr. Owusu every year, Koto, we know, is a very hard-working leader. He always does the best and push Ghana forward. He is the best replacement of Nana Dankwe Kufuado. Steve Meda said, good Kwame Awotri Isco anyway free say be quiet and Mr. Speaker, the government should look at the face of the CLOSAG and tell them that their demand for neutrality allowances is not feasible in this our country. We cannot be paying them these allowances and expecting the least performance they put up. Numerous improvements from this Nana Baumia administration should benefit them equally. Belated birthday to myself. Okay, made as a Kwame any message, you know. Russ, the Abba, and even risk allowance aren't paid to the police and other security agencies by the state. These are all useless catering. And I would the Abba. Ras Medase. Juros, Stephen said, according to Ziga, he said most of the things and allowances he has mentioned are on the blind side of the president. When was the last time he saw the president prosecuting any of his appointees over those allegations and allowances being taken? He must revise his notes and come back again. Okay. Joshua Pepraminta said, more fire, Mr. Speaker. God bless you. This morning you have really given us an eye opener. Kindi says, Ziga, more fire to you. Krobia Asante Kotoko Kofi. Good morning, Mr. Speaker. The NPP needs a flag bearer who is and has been part of the grassroots and then the politics of the NPP for all these years. Special bond of relationship with them. A flag bearer who believes in the development and priorities of the people. When talk about such qualities, then no one comes close to Dr. Efriye Akoto. May that say positive change. Ewo Madina or say the president is accused of running an armed robbery gang, a murdering squad, and then described as a criminal by the side chicks Ewa Bruni in a live video chat. The unprecedented things in our political history. Should the clergy, the civil societies, and security institutions watch unconcerned about the things happening with the Sewa Bruni saga? May that say, Kendi Makai will message, give way for this. Binche Benjamin Eriaba is our leadership that is killing our economy. No sacrifices or whatsoever. They only care about their benefit and what they take in their pocket. May that say, Kwame, silence at the Kwame, today I like your submission. More fire on the politicians. They are really killing us. And what they are. Opedimo Felix said the Abba, DJ Opedimo Swame, and or said the NPP brings good policies and programs, but the NDC kicks against all of them. Today, they are kicking against the E-Levy, but tomorrow they will come and benefit from it. And or they Abba Prince of Poco Frimpon said, good morning, Mr. Speaker. You guys are doing a great job. God bless you for your kindness. And then your thoughtfulness on issues. Keep it up. You are the voice of the voiceless. I will urge the new patriotic delegates in Asante Akim South to vote massively for Patrick Amwa, alias aka Kweku Guy, as second vice chairman of the constituency. But that's the end of message, Focus G say, I'm watching you live from Qatar. Focus GH made us say, I pay what share from Qatar. Nyame in sharp. And I do actually boa message, Abba. God bless you. My the issues, the issue of 33 billion. The Aquacoya campaign, election 2020. It goes so actually, the third vice national chairman of the NPP, chairman of Marewa, there, able me a join here, or my or bar, or so ever join in the discussion. Cancel. Your program the band the discussion band the 9:30. Mami until. All right.
So chairman is all my idea, and but so chairman by and but what your man so the won't win why the money how. Kwame, and I pay beam and Chankoma His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. You see, Santo can say Yana and Sanquay, but Yana as a personal can say Sabi, as you ask some Banyansa for Nasun Bacasia. Now, Unya Banyansa for Bisa John Dramani Mahama. Anya Biano, or Bakakaio, Monia Bahamoso, on where you are falling short. Kwame, Navigation and Casanam de Mebaso. So what nonsense people are calling for an audit into the monies that we had during COVID?
Yes.
You support that call?
Of course, accountability is good for us.
Thank you. What is Abana Casa so between one more? No.
No, but Abaya Tremo said there are measures and institutions are mandated to do that.
You see, did they know that when they were in opposition? Auditor General Services, and as a Ghana Audit Service,
yeah.
And now we are 2017, now the Bayana and about Nebini Ghana on. Oba ye be president in the Bible.
Audit Service, I machine. Coming from up.
So when we study, why is he now telling us? Said the institutions, my intention. Now, okay, if the institution, then tell the institutions the same way that we make for certain cases to certain institutions who can take up matters on their own. So much. Okay? they can take it up and deal deal with it themselves. For instance, the SP's office. But send a man office to my reference to the SP's office. Deal with this matter, investigate this matter. Maybe now until we go. Why are you not referring that issue to the audit service for them to investigate anything that has transpired as far as the COVID funds or COVID
COVID-19 trust fund?
Trust fund is concerned. Because coming, they were on a list of Skebiaba.
Okay.
Sure. Company be the Sun Power. Sun Power, one of the independent power producers in this country. It's like a power plant.
Okay.
Do you know how much they produce? Sorry, they gave to government when it came to about COVID time or no? One ma buying 200,000 Ghana cedis. It is kind of 2 billion. And ma buying. Kwame, Bank of Ghana. Yeah, your mind is a crowd at that time. Emma buying 10 million Ghana cedis
for COVID.
For COVID.
Okay.
Number 3, Ghana Stock Exchange. And so Bomadia can answer. And so people back 1 billion OCDs and it's 100,000 Ghana cedis. What am I buying? Number 4, Ghana for 1 money.
Ghanaians in diaspora.
In buying foreign affairs ministries through the various embassies. Almost near donations from support. Sector agency CEOs, among others, were asked to contribute. And so sorry, I can happen to cause an answer for. And so can tie in the collection. Almost ye be the cowboy. ADB, Minuna Bank. And so Tam Yesika near 4 days, a crown for so when you're free moments at the one. Almost 200,000 Ghana cedis. So it is 2 billion. Almost the coin. Insurance companies are Ghana. Kwame, almost raising 1 million Ghana cedis, 105,000. 105,000 and 1.5 billion old cedis. 1 million Ghana cedis in there. Minimum cedis are pronounced. Kwame, MTN. For ya go for ya one for ya one boy no say prank kakra one so etnase one so say the man for see ko ne ntimi trase enye han obako for adumodregu enti ne yenso enko ne ko bo bi one so ahomre so 5 million Ghana cedis one so ko bo aban e chen yi aban yo no ogin sanbode Kwame
mitie
en sanbode ko enfa na ho ana ban ejin si ade bo de ba no ache madase medase no ojigu sa oh ani na IMF wants to America no so you say the MTN for ne insurance say the Ghana and the adefo nyina mo humre so dia muhiamwa won so ma so $1 billion munye abonde da kwa yinya ne kwa manenko enti enso dia ya che de bo amuni o ma so $1 billion abanye ana de ma abanye onia World Bank so tenchen wa we Switzerland wa no say oh na ye no nyina na ekro it must what the kind yentimi internationally because the kan the kan nanti to once mo di kan nkwa de bonanti na election bi wo mo so maso 430 mo de nkwa unum korona abansa boy yo nti so ombre $430 million na abansa ombre 200 eni nyame na ye ma e ya do me na no country director hu sa ban na ye boy koro no cause we no one can one can say tin we bon number be you hairstyle ya what TV so for ya guess hu enye no bi ne be you ye be you no undum kan sa hwem Kwame
le
ana no so man so almost $430 million be aban and the receipt figure no to 200 million ana na no wo mo abeyi omoto wo be yi omoto an nguase mu mo ti be yi omo no bi ano so ha under John Dramani Mahama government the because yes Benyanfo Benyansafo so bakwase Benyansafo John Dramani Mahama na ban betena konwa so na ye ni fund by friend stabilization levy and sorry stabilization fund oh ni nyansa mu okriti e no kriti e Ghana infrastructure development fund so ato say o mani here infrastructure brutal na ibodi say ho fa na ye bo nsam nyina kwa me enya hwe na ma brutal e ye just the infrastructure kwan the onam so di wa fie kura no ya to enye ko ta concrete ani egu ana anam so adi ko radam sen santan nti wonam ba dan efi na so de ha muso mo na wo fie obi a wote ne se to na prayer wo ba tira kwan fa do me no enya ka afo de abaduma anko so be yedi ni nyina ko tonche no aban man e man homre so ko yi se sika de bi eno so ko mu se fa na mahama kreti ye ko yi mu $200 million. Kwame ade wodi kwa da so covid aba ye ho hehye
stabilization fund.
Thank you. Tien ko bi mra na mpom ko yi enya hwe ahuyehia ye ho ba ye hinti ale jama wodan this is skanda ho a na se na ye ho kekan a na se pesika na de tin dia ko bi bra ana ko yi aso wow ye pe afi pe so ko be this as Ghana. I left Ghana around February ending 2020 me fi Ghana sana mo lockdown
around 11th March near recording first case.
Okay, it's munyam first case na me Ghana. Throughout the time one expensive like we are seeing na call lockdown one flights bianco obi aka ndem ya ne here nyina so da bo bintin godman. Sabre ni mu na fe so pepepe. Aban man hom no so de bia bagana. E dey and dey say COVID levy. Hey. And so free information minister say oh some ka say na mo muso free na bi ko ebutugu ohun sa hwe so na otogu no yo na do yade no obane samna ne say so na atugu nyina na so wakoda bi no no say wo de che wanye yi nti say ohia scan de kotua back nti de COVID levy ne nsuo ne nkane na de ma mo free ne de kotua ka and you see na e ka say wo say ye ho akire nti wo de che ya mebusa wo ya hanu ma the press conference say sad number for design they no that be they no gonna for kasa COVID time
the national address
ayo wa enu na jami nyina janje table social media sin hu bi na for say what they aba gana me say there be so we say president say odin so a free what they can achieve na me say kana me say no say na something papa we won chade ekwo so they achieve na no bezaje manu mo so be kan na abom ne eno ne COVID levy ya gina afini ekire ni
yeah otade bia wutia ukodidi wo restaurant
ubetia COVID levy mi bisanse no nso ni sika san na ben na nya wo mu how much have they obtained from that fund or that levy alone say mama yen enti hwe sika pepe mu ama lesia bodi atebe bebe nyina kwame this government has made all this money through COVID and many more are meant to Sikamo de
you know, I buy so much spend 170.
Was spending the spending is not just the issue, but what did you spend on?
But I'm on family 2022 budget.
What did they spend on?
Okay, and my hot meals. Omo chi microphone ya ni so bisa somebody spend here and me bobi am
so ba na obo no
yes
sa asem na wo kan nti wa na enyatam di ma
for what reason microphone which wo
isn't it an insult from the government to the people who gave him power to say Ghana ko hunyim even chiefs anyemfo were selling bag of rice oil eni kakra so at least what me edini be na ansan na 9 anya bia na otwe obuduma di 5 kilos ahini o yento no so ba na nka basa wu an executive government that people have given you power and mandate na mu be na we are unemployed by virtue of your government coming to power now you have job we see the ultimate man wa hunyia bremu ne say when you want to go food park na ade makota le chances there we make ejini na you kwanya kwanso kwa chairman grofo madam for bit take ija was boss na mu ambiti me fie nche pe the next 2 hours after my house now no do ani bi ye tiere ha nya bi ani ye no do ani ye sikam na aso free ade ko you spent close to $10 million Saudi no aduane ma a fraction of Ghanaians I'm using the word fraction because and you're gonna be. And at that time, unlike the other countries, and most states or most regions in those countries were locked down. Ghana, it was only the greater Accra, greater Kumasi.
Yes.
And for some locking down, and I'm mostly saying in the normal. Isn't it a shame? Are we serious as a country? John Dramani Mahama now or check and move 5 kilos near and 1 day to people. The whole government of power, no, and as a government power, you with me here and say, what do you want a mono? And I think
but lawyer, I buy better BB, so I buy no year you mouth. I am Crawford, I get 2 years.
That is why I'm saying, the Tadia, who are many beso.
Nagana focus someone else.
Nagana for station. I know when you saw your hour tea.
People were happy. Crawford,
who are they? Anna, be a full lesson. Now, more when you would the chairman over fro. Beautiful. Measure course, Albina. Unya then be this now. Unya be.
May many be and you.
I don't do any be. A good actor was a good actor, not yet. And not to be it. And I beg myself, but more and grandpa. Eh? Then I do any be.
My cost me, baby.
Now, at the end of the night, the brother and I say, oh, who's of the two? Say the brother, I got me.
Liar, me too.
Send the near the bro, and Casa over you. Yeah, the bro. Which means that when you to your doorstep, your homes, right? So, and now we have over to say about this baby. One about fee. A boy open.
Me too. Obi my
fee, thank you. So, which means you and Yabi. Producer, what is a Richard? One got on the who got a Casimano. John Jose Winyabi. Timmy, oh, papa, and Yabi. Oh, mammy, and Yabi. How many who got that food?
Maybe I'm a figures in the diamond, or the trust mammy. Maybe your friend is saying,
and no, not
yes.
The same year 2020 name. Now buy a man who is not on bond market.
Yeah.
COVID aba. A man for whom it's system here sika. Who is going pay $3 billion US in the year 2020. What's the real economy? Kwame 2021 March. Abandon will be for another $3 billion US. Also, the real economy anymore because COVID economy look at what we are now, and they pay us money. People are really suffering. Not that they are lazy. What Ghana for any quadruple? Come Ghana for any quadruple. Ghanaians are very hardworking, especially our women. So I cook massipa na would not get time na chia. Kwame, you can count the number of men that you can that when you be. But I'm telling you, you cannot count the number of men that you find. And Mati abobo yaso, omo tiki aso, obi to swap that free a distance. E de bedru kumase ahimanachi. Ono kwa difu. 92.9. Omo grumu jani pa. Ni nyina ti no woji the also woji abanje no problem, but woji am nehunu so mfaso. That is what we are saying. Me so don't just take for taking sick. Budget now working Gandhi and how baby now say what that one more budget now for the year 2022 year team.
Maybe the 2020 up to 2021 outlook because I buy a tray the budget near money be now.
Me say buy we kind of currency and say what that you call one much long. Their own budget for 2022 year team year using the paragraph 303 or so or between 303 to 310 one of them. Ubahunu say or say ya say a year tolls. The tolls would be closed or they will stop collecting the levy when the budget is approved. But you know when road minister issues statement to tell you that tolls the very day.
Every day budget.
our budget the kind one. To a man or some round woman so. On
92.9.
Because before the budget to come out, cabinet is away. Roseman is at the cabinet. It will to the extent that the speaker and on what that chairman number one can say, Sadia when I'm out to the air wrong. Pending the approval of the budget. Budget is approving that same day. We will move somewhere by 137, 138 approvals. So just you know it. None actually no. You were bold to have issued a statement. Means I can't budget non so type you. I don't know. Not the about one thing. Contrary to their own words in the budget. If you are not breaking kind ways of doing as a people work at me, I'm not expecting anything good from that. Because I'm telling you, my tribe, I'm not even be brown kind of budget. The same budget now back in 2019, they also obey, I think, obey a friend saying, very line from some to Korea. My discuss to say budget. So, will be a yamage.
Kessben 92.9.
Come on now, walk right from them. Mr. Namipobia, say really line, I have you and some go food and then victory. And now was so. And now we're full. But about 10,000 Ghana. Will be a map.
So it means that what doubt is some obey.
They will not do it. Now, 2021 and the 2020 November. One guy also can. Who is around the okay? One guy. And one refuge also. One guy. On yet. They promised to do 596 kilometer railway line from Kumasi to Paga. And I'm even. Buangari Lamport. Started under President Kufo. Anya be a Kufo time no kwadi yesi start so. Building business. Utwemu akumasa mu se building is assassin so. Onuma you no so by second shortcut. Second shortcut in action no kwame. Eno one this year. Insuon ento ewemo apitampe. There's a send down that. You would understand now, national. Yeah, I also do too. Or the two food in the children requires also got no.
Kessben 92.9.
One person going to do was to a no do be a can with as I can return account. Put it no, stand still. Come here, a young going president did that. Kwame. In this hour, now was we do have to do another short cutting view. It's home boards. A boy, a kaki. And one say budget we am was that here we na we ja wono me to aso ya requested is we here sika and that to aso sika ne yenya ento aso nko simplicity and so this obra akwadwo fans ne ebo ne yo and baba so ulma aba ni nyina kire so dia ba ko so be wie so na apem ho a wo pon asa hwinzi bi
Kessben 92.9.
It's a net. If the money Mama is telling you, some this kind of a campaign.
But there is no proof to that. And only a mere.
Is there a proof as to how they have used all this money I've mentioned to you? Where's the proof?
Is it a case that they are buying can one person will be here? And
I'm buying can of I am at what bank I buying 430 million. Was over buying 200 million. Now what bank can't do that? I'm the catchers over. Your man 430.
It could be a mistake.
Who's mistake from whose part? From the collector or the giver? Maybe so. What's it?
Kessben 92.9.
Mistake if you are never.
Like, we're a computation of figures, so and it could be some minister here mistake. And they've corrected
they've corrected it.
Country director can so much too. And
what's it?
IMF, your friends.
What man
director kind? What much?
No one can go back to some man 430. One the 200 let's say. And a banana back. No win. So no win. What the back to 230. With a 200 million, sorry. I fear cheap. Where this Canadian are there? No. I'm not going to say what your man is saying. I feel much away. Only this can hear 430 million for World Bank. What was the money used for? And you know, Don't back. One more day. I am 1 billion money a day. Also, no, because
the question that maybe say was no because working kind budget here. Abayacho see disease control centers as part of COVID-19
disease control centers.
Abay asset ya mechanism Ghana yeni ankase betimi manufacture yenno. Abayacho about mills. Abay spraying fumigation across the country. Abay Emma school kwala teacher for okay, PPEs, personal protective equipment, any BBR. I buy my hand sanitizers or supply. What's is it?
Customer was now teacher. I will pump program with teacher any bro. Obeza kunyasa. I'm teacher for no you fine. One more no you fine. One more no you fine. One be fine you. What's a bunch of PPEs?
Kessben 92.9.
This government and I'm hopeful that's an organ.
I buy my one more liquid. I buy my tissues. I buy my sanitizers.
TV so I want Krakoma. I'm go for number one COVID centers. I'm information from your own people that so-called people is in the school hole. And the school and they separate the wheat from the chaff. Those with nose masks and those without nose masks. One more man mentioned me not TV so. Now what the heck can go any other?
I buy saw this Caribbean and I Bobby so actually. But we saw some of them. I buy feeding crops.
You saw some.
Yes.
Now I'm supposed to see some or you're supposed to see all.
Many baby and the baby
we are supposed to see all.
No, but
it is our money. See, let's be honest with ourselves.
Yes, me too. We are being honest, but the question is that we can't also say
it is our money.
177 billion.
It is our money. Every single thing that the money is being used for, I must know. You must know. He has no right to tell us part of it and leave part. What are you talking about? When you say list every single thing that the money was used for. What do you say? And let us understand how that money was used. Because now, when it's a very reasonable question. How was the IMF money used? You don't know. World Bank, then how was it used? You don't know. For how long are we going to stay in the dark without seeing the light? We need to understand, we need to know.
Is that a special committee to investigate?
Of course, it's very important. And it's to be in their best interest to do it now. Because you don't know what tomorrow holds.
And then you're a traitor, nah?
I won't threaten. I'll never do that.
Because if you never know what in the future in this government, you know, mobile prosecuting for because of COVID-19.
Oh, me kwa me bi nkronum kwanti na e kan okronum. What you have also do Jason no. Ah, we be akọ. I want to me kwa every mu. Means e bi mu da. We just go on the kan.
I see.
To the man no.
Enti opposition dey ontimi nka.
O say,
uti opposition ontimi nka. Say aban sesa.
Na unti obi na kan tira say what me ba. Obi na kan tira what this is Gabon ya. Obi na kan tira. Do you need a suicide to tell that? Me too. Do you need a sister or prophet or whatever to tell you say what this can be in the abide pound for one? I mean on the second one or into a son moto. Almost so say is a school. Teach anyone one about it will bow to my can. But whom I miserable no cockro. Just had any was not Aproca Crabby. But teacher they was what I didn't was now is a good at him. Would you want to near Jamoto? So that's how it will be if it should be a new government. So on the safer side for you people, let the commission, an independent one, a non-partisan one be set. Let them dig deep into this. Let us know how our money has been used. Because it can be one more free. Young companies from Ghana and institutions and buy. I started Bank of Ghana, Ghana Stock Exchange, ADB, Mabobo over the Actually, quoted their figures to you. Private companies, And so, the woman says, wait me show, woman should be support you. Woman, yes, carry it. MTN phone come 5 million Ghana cedis. What are you doing? If you say some alleged issues were that you are sharing the money to parties faithfuls. Number cause me there. I'm say Moody can't do this and a year over Cheneva. Luckily, if I say one day bill for 1 day window, be said,
ahead of the registration.
No, ahead of the elections.
Yes, and I make a
and to me, I won't be 1 day window, my way, and if I won't know, would never talk to the for elections, and I've got to know. Make what you do, and make what you do. Not me, but is easy office in the district. You know, unfortunately, me drive to the district assembly. I'm doing a break to them saying, you come home, commission, I come see. There's any Minyanko. It may just my pack of car upon a bunch of bar mechanic. Or so a coordinator. Now, it's coordinator for the no MBB coordinator. Now, may J. Scanibiana. That was the question he asked me by my car. Osino, specifically, as I make a away. Fanjack was out. District assembly. And I'm so that maybe trying to for East. Yes, because I'm putting not so that and then the EC office in Kwanyane. So then he directed that I have to even leave that premises and go to a different point to be cried. I want to EC office no, and I'm a call. Ten watch me want to say, what is it that you know? So you say, COVID no. Wow, so was for 10 budget, no 10 or 10 or Kwana, ya enter near most cabinet.
But I know you see kind of so small businesses as
Intine loans and as an grant.
NBSSI.
You have not answered my question. Is it a loan?
It's a loan. I also would here.
Into NBSSI for a strategy.
Is it quite almost somebody no?
Into home strategy.
I don't have that information.
And you almost starting no.
Lawyer member and on the afraid of COVID-19 elevation program.
No problem. It didn't win.
It's COVID-19 COVID-19 elevation program. No, I buy the buy. Said they be a small businesses. So proprietorship near the yes, and the NBSSI, and almost said there's some budget back because they loans. I know more than mine.
And I'm so penny not that when you are
a Ghana Enterprise Agency.
It didn't inform me. I'm a little Mazomo. Messi penny or down one, so needs canoa. You start lazing his boots and shoes to go and take the money back because we say
loans, no, yes.
So the man was missing a question for from that time to today, I'm before the elections. You're 2022. So it is a repayment after 6 months in Punwa. We have a reasonable time now. Because this is kind of back over. Say you penny for say you bunan can for the penny television man kwala and can what penny no. Ah, what transition man kwala win can no. Nan for no from be.
Let me know as you don't pay. Maybe no, aso.
Secretary said chairman so intimi.
Unfortunately, chairman
who is my better and no say maybe no ejana de bana no dey. One person best in the national party.
No bana only chairman angasa and lawyer.
Chairman say and the time ni na the time chairman da sin nyame sha. Ebi a obi a o tie nkan na pa na nyame sha so ntiyama. Odman de na ntimi nkan nyama beka ma because wo kan ma meka nkan ntimi nkan. Ti makani nyina ba.
Why? It's John Dramani Mahama na Mosade neba ho.
O say
John Dramani Mahama ana Mosade neba.
So nka so ngobi.
Ana nka nso so bekobi.
Enti ya twende obeka no.
Ono na mode neba.
Ya twende ono beka. Senya party ne decide mo.
I see.
So decide so baba dia.
Iya yi for some months no.
O mo na ba no tubu Ghana ha.
Omo to be.
Me busa.
They know what is on the ground.
Omo to ba Ghana ha. Yeah, you know, and me am from UK now. And they are in a different country. And no more.
Omwa.
We UK yeah. And one more who's about President Boris Johnson's you. I know about that say yeah day. You don't in any moku. Sir,
better I say.
Yes, I don't so much from Madrid. Omo we are having born no musa ni for me nsa. I wa don't tell me the boss and Sergeant Dramani.
And John Mahama dey ono na modern beba.
And your party in the neighbor, he has to decide whether or not you contest.
Okay.
So that's a personal decision.
Right.
Do you want to work with continue to work with the Kessben FM?
Any personal.
Thank you very much. The same way I understand your personal decision. May that's